Isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi tatlo sila. Narito na ang ating House of Treaties, Suertres Nationwide, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Mahilig ka bang tumaya ng Suertres, 3D Loto, Suerto Loto, saan mang sulok ng Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao? Narito na ang ating mga panibagong tatlong numero para sa June 7, 2024 na maaari ninyong tayaan mula first draw, second draw, and third draw. Ito po ay masusi nating pinagkukombine mula sa resulta mula umaga, tanghali at gabi. So here we now for our first Suertres number nationwide. Pwede siya sa 3D, sa Suertres, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Here we now. The first number, 3D number, we have the number of 9, 2, 8. 9, 2, 8. Another Suertres number, 3, 9, 2. 3, 9, 2. Another one, 6, 9, 8. 6, 9, 8. Another one, 6, 0, 0. Another one, 6, 0, 0. Another one, 6, 1, 0. 6, 1, 0. And the last one is 2, 3, 8. So here we now, our House of Treaties, Suertres Nationwide, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao for June 7, 2024. And that is for now. Ako si Samara, ang pusang gala ng Tinagat Island. Kaya pang hinintay nyo, mag-subscribe ka na para kang updated. Subscribe!